On the 28th of November 2022, two members of the National People's Party in Meghalaya had tendered their resignation as MLAs of the party. These include Benedict Marak of Raksamgre and Ferlin Sangma of Selsella in the Garo Hills. On this, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, who is also the national president of the party, while wishing the two MLAs the very best, also commented by saying that such things happen in politics and in many parties.
I think that we'll have to ask them why they resigned, but it's okay. It happens in politics. It happens in many parties. It happens to many MLAs, and they have taken their decision. So I have nothing to say about it. I wish them the very best, and and they can contest in any political party that they wish. And as per my party, then we'll move forward in whatever way necessary, and we'll prepare for the elections.